Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set your ringtone on a Rio 1. So, first you click the middle button. You go down to there. No, to settings there. Go to my profiles right top. Go to headsets, tone setup, incoming call, and then you pick and you select it. Good luck.